see. So we've got tickle position number 1. Tickle position number 2. Number 3.
Hey, you can't kick.
Alright.
Oh, Matthew.
Let's see.
Uh-oh. Matthew
2.
needs a tickle fish.
And then 1.
Let's see if Matthew gets
Let's see what he
Nicholas.
does. Let's see what he does. Show me he said, Daddy.
Matthew, get Nicholas. Get Nicholas. Can you get him?
Oh, look, he knew what you meant.
You gonna get him? Put Nicholas down. See if Matthew will get him.
Dada, do it again. Spit on my tummy.
No, not spit. You go.
Then go. I got it.
Oh! That's funny. He laid down for him to do that.
Is your neck ticklish? There's your neck ticklish. I know it's ticklish.
Let's see what he does. See what he does. See what he does.
Boy, are you having fun, Matthew?
Yeah, he
Ticklish
is.
on the Demon
Sounds
Kino
like
Boys
a
is
good
right
guy.
here.
Oh my God.
This is the best spot because you can, with one hand, tickle both arms.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
He's running away from me.
Dad's coming.
Here he goes.
Uh-oh.
We need the water break.
You're in big trouble. You're in big trouble. Now you're drinking the...
What happened to the other half? Oh, there he is.
Oh! Here, let me out of the way. Here, I get out of the way.
Now, I sip up this.
Look at, he's looking at me.
Ready to go.
Oh, no.
That's it. We boys. Let's see. Which one should I beat up first?
Me!
Alright. You know what? I'm going to beat you both up at the same time. Come on over here, Nicholas. I'm going to lay Matthew down here. Nicholas, lay down here.